completely owe to study Manik ma'am, not just the part three, but since I need to thank for part two as well, because for part two, I think I was almost the silent spectator both before the exam and after the exam. I never showed up my face. But then I think part two formed the basis, a strong foundation for part three. So having a good coaching for part two is equally important for part three, I felt. So especially if you give immediately after part two. So I think that helped a lot. The labor room, the clinical governance lectures were still ringing in my head for part three, especially your lectures. And I must thank all the mentors, because the course was so well organized. Like each mentor had to give different things, like different perspective in terms of both clinical knowledge and as well as the technical and communication aspect. Everyone had completely different things to give us. And the course structure as well, there was so much of grilling that we had no other option to pass other than to pass, because starting from the daily feedbacks, daily recordings, I still remember how difficult it was to record in the initial time, because we used to take hours. I used to take hours to record one recording. So from the daily recordings, then weekly classes, then again mocks at the end. It was so very well organized. Like I think we had everything given in a ready in a platter. So I think we had no other option other than to pass. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Especially the mentors like Aisha ma'am, who covered everything so crisply in those intensive hours. Meenakshi ma'am, who always used to give instant feedbacks. And Meghna ma'am, who gave us formed the skeleton, because I still remember in the initial early module how badly we were speaking, and she trained us. She gave us a skeleton, how to talk, how to start. So every mentor and the course structure, and you especially, because you gave us the confidence, as well as I can still tell that labor room and clinical governance, I haven't read anything other than your lectures. So thank you so much.